Hello, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T40 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to enter Fastboot Mode. To enter Fastboot Mode, firstly turn off your tab. And now press and hold power button and volume up button until you see bootloader. I release it too soon. Okay. Now, using volume up button, navigate. Select middle option. And using the volume down button, confirm. And now our tab will enter Fastboot Mode. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.